Hi everyone, and welcome to a new course where we are going to work together and learn how to write better sentences. Now to do that, we have to learn how sentences are put together. And yes, we're going to look at grammar, but not really. We're going to use what we know and what we learn and kind of step around the grammar. You're going to learn grammar, yeah, but not grammar rules, because you know I don't like grammar rules. Now, you're going to see me look down at my computer because I will be typing and you will be writing, I hope. I hope. You should have a notebook for this course. Write down all of these sentences. Use it to learn all of the information that I'm going to teach you. Now, let's get started with our very first worksheet page where we are going to do simple subject and complete subject. Now, it's not as hard as you might think. Take a look here. So we're going to do something called silly sandwiches. Yeah, silly sandwiches. But it doesn't matter. Our directions are read each sentence, sure, no problem, underline the complete subject, and then circle the simple subject. Well, you're going to see me use my mouse here, and I'm going to see how this works. We're going to underline that complete subject, and then we're going to circle the simple subject. And I have to be very careful because I'm using a mouse, so it's not super accurate. Okay, now, how do we do this? It's actually not that bad. If we think about this, here's what we have to do first. First, you have to find the verb. Well, what's a verb, right? Do you know what a verb is? A verb is the action. Something is happening in a sentence, right? And we'll learn different verbs later, but I want you to think. A verb is action. What do they do? What happens, okay? Verb equals do something. So let's take a look at this very first sentence and just find the verb, okay? So let me grab my pen over here. There. Lionel loves all kinds of sandwiches. Me too. Well, most sandwiches. What is the do? What is happening in this sentence? What does Lionel do? He loves. So if we know he does that, that's our verb, right? Ooh, look how pretty I wrote that word, verb. But we know where our verb is, so I want you to write a line, draw a line, separating the verb on the right side and the rest of the sentence to the left. Now, what you just did was you separated the sentence into the subject and the predicate. Yeah, see, the words sound complicated, subject, predicate, but all you had to do was find that verb. Once you found that verb, it's like, oh, left side's the subject. Yeah. So that's what we know. We know our complete subject, everything, is all of the stuff on the left to the other side of that verb. That's your complete subject. Well, right here it's just one word, right? Lionel. Well, that's easy. Now your simple subject. Your simple subject is just one word. It's the word in that subject that the sentence is about, right? What is doing something? Remember that do for the verb? Well, here, who does it? Lionel. So we know Lionel is our main subject, right? He's that, well, there's only one word here, so it's kind of hard to explain. Let's just circle Lionel because we know Lionel is our simple subject. It's the only one there. Look at number 2. This will become much easier. First, we have to find that verb, right? His favorite uncle teaches him how to make unusual sandwiches. Well, what happens? What is the do, right? What's the do in this sentence? Teach. Yes. So we know that teach, I'm just going to write a V. Yeah, a V. Teach is our verb, okay? Teaches is our verb. So let's draw a line to separate our sentences into pieces. Predicate, subject. Well, subject on the left. I don't know if it's going to flip it or not. Let's take a look at this. Everything on the left of the verb is what? Our complete subject. So just underline all of it. Done. Now, let's look in our complete subject and find the one word that that subject is about. His favorite uncle. Well, what's the important thing? Remember on the first sentence we said Lionel does something, right? Lionel loves. Well, in this subject, what does the thing do? The thing teaches, right? Who teaches? What teaches? The uncle. There you go. See how they match? That simple subject matches our verb. So uncle is our simple subject. His favorite uncle is the complete subject. It's pretty easy, right? Look at that. Just a few minutes and you've already figured it out. Let's look at number 3. One sandwich has pickles and peanut butter. That's horrible, right? Let's think about this. Is there a do? Well, kind of, right? I have something, don't you? I have something. I do. What do? I have a mouse. So in a way I do something, right? I have this. Do you see that in there? Yes. It's not the same as like I punch, I laugh, I run, right? That's a real do something. But have and has, these are verbs too. It's kind of do's, right? So we know has is our verb. Draw that line. Here we go. Boom. So we know what's our complete subject? All of it. One sandwich. Now, what's the simple thing? Sandwich, right? Because one just says how many of what? Subject. So sandwich is our simple subject. Ooh, this is getting easier, right? Let's look at number 4. Lionel's older sister makes banana and peanut butter sandwiches. Those are good. Banana and peanut butter is a great sandwich. What's the do? Makes. Makes is our verb. So draw our line through. Boom. Lionel's older sister is our complete subject. Now, who is doing the do? Yeah, that makes sense. Who does the verb? Who is doing the verb? Is Lionel doing the verb? Or is the other person doing the verb? The sister. So which one's doing the make? Who's making? The sister. So our subject, our simple subject is sister. Yeah, right? See how it matches the verb? Oh, that's easy. Okay, let's do number 5. 2 children take pictures of their silly sandwiches. What's the verb? What's the do? Take, right? They take. So take is our verb. Draw that line. Oh, it's so easy now, right? The 2 children is our complete subject, and our simple subject is children. Yeah. Pretty easy. Ooh, I didn't really circle that very well, did I? It's okay. Now that we've learned how to identify, how to find where is that simple subject and where is that complete subject, let's practice some more with some verbs. I think this is verbs, right? No, these are subjects. Should have looked again. Next part says, choose a simple subject. Ooh, we're going to have to make this a little smaller. That way it all fits. There we go. Choose a simple subject from the word box to complete each sentence. Then circle the complete subject. Okay, so we need to circle our whole subject, the whole thing, which is to the left of the verb, like we said. So some are planning a sandwich making contest. Some well, some what? Which one of these words? We have neighbors, winner, rules, person, and contest. So some means how many? More than one, right? I have some stuff. I have more than one thing. So which of these words is more than one? Neighbors. Yeah, neighbors. I'm not going to handwrite it, so I'll type it in there. Here we go. Some, N-E-I-G-H-B-O-R-S, neighbors. Some neighbors are planning a sandwich making party. That makes way more sense. Now, remember our second part is to circle our complete subject. What's our verb? Well, we have an ing, right? We're doing something. Doing. So we have a doing, right? We have a be verb helping our verb. Helping verb. So where's our first verb, right? Are. Are is a be verb. So we got our verb here, right? Are planning. Planning's a verb too. So let's draw that line right there. We knew neighbors was part of the subject because it said put the word in the subject. Yeah. So what is our complete subject? All of it. Yeah. Some neighbors. Cool. Number 2. Neighbors is gone. The takes place on Saturday. Well, the takes place. The what? What takes place? The winner takes place. The rules take place. The person takes place. The contest takes place. Well, what could take place? The contest. Yeah. The contest takes place. So let's write that in there. Contest. Cool. The contest. What takes place? So let's find our verb. Where is our verb at? What's the do? Takes, right? The verb is takes. So we draw the line. What's our whole complete subject? All of it. All of it. It's so easy, right? Cool. Let's do the next one. The are easy to follow. Are. Well, we know it has to be plural, right? Are. Are has to be plural. So which one of these words is plural? Winner, that's one. Rules, many. Person, well, I'm a person, that's one. So rules is our plural. Now we know. The rules are easy to follow. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. So we're going to write that in here. The rules. The rules are easy to follow. And we have to find our verb, which is a be verb. Yeah, the be verb is right there. Are. So, and what's everything? Everything to the left. The complete subject. The rules. Number 4. Each makes one strange but tasty treat. Well, who makes? What makes? Each winner or each person? Well, there's only one winner, right? So we can't have each winner. Each person. Yeah. Each. Oh, no. I shouldn't write that. I write ugly. I don't know how to do it. Oh, there's the eraser. Bloop. Okay. We're going to insert our text comment and say person. Each person. Yes. See? That's much prettier. My handwriting with the pen is ugh. So each person what? Makes. What? Makes. That's our verb. Makes is our do. So our complete subject is each person. Look at that. We're doing it so fast. I'm just looking at the computer now, right? No big deal. Number 5. The gets free. Well, it's one choice, right? So the winner, right? The winner gets free sandwiches from the Yummy Sandwich Shop for 1 month. That sounds pretty nice. I wouldn't mind that. Now let's find our verb. What's our verb? Get. See, you already see it. You see the pattern here, right? Super easy. Boom. And the complete subject is the winner. Nice. Now let's look down here at this. Oh, what is that? What is that? Write a paragraph about your favorite sandwich and use complete sentences. Well, I don't know what your favorite sandwich is, but you can write your answer in the comments down below and I can check it. But here, I'm going to give you an idea by talking about my favorite sandwich. So what I'm going to do here is I will write about my favorite sandwich. Now, what is that? What is my favorite sandwich? I don't know. We're going to make a text box here. There. And we're going to make our font nice and big so you can read it and I can read it because I don't have my glasses on. So here, it says your favorite sandwich. Imagine someone asks you that question, right? What is your favorite sandwich? What's your answer? My favorite sandwich. That's what we're going to do. My favorite sandwich is. What is what your favorite sandwich? My favorite sandwich is Oh, God, I don't know. Peanut butter and jelly sandwich is one, right? A peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I love those. I love them a lot. But there's lots of different kinds of peanut butter, right? We have crunchy, we have creamy, we have the natural peanut butter. So when I make my sandwich, I like to make it with the crunchy peanut butter. That's a good sentence to say. So I like to make mine with crunchy, C-R-U-N-C-H-Y, crunchy peanut butter. Yeah. Now, that's only one part of a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. What am I going to put on the other side? My jelly. What's my favorite jelly? I like jelly. I like all kinds of jelly. I'm going to say grape jelly. I like to make mine with crunchy peanut butter. Now I'm going to talk about my jelly. Do you see what I just did? That is a trick that I use when I write. I re-say, okay? Not reread. I re-say the last sentence. That way my mind is running at the same pattern, right? Imagine that you run and then you stop. Can you start running at exactly the same speed? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe it's a little different. And that's something that a lot of students have a problem with. They write and they stop. And then the next thing they think of doesn't kind of match. So I read the last sentence and then keep going. I like to make mine with crunchy peanut butter. Then I add, ooh, gotta make a big eye. Then I add grape jelly to the other side. See, now it makes sense, right? If I read it through, I like to make mine with crunchy peanut butter. Then I add grape jelly to the other side. See how that it goes together. It's almost like I said two sentences at the same time. Ah, that's how you make these things flow. Yeah, okay. Now, we don't want to make this too hard, right? Let's end this. Let's end this sentence because it doesn't say how long it has to be. My favorite sandwich is peanut butter jelly sandwich. I like to make mine with crunchy peanut butter. Then I add grape jelly to the other side. The best part. What's the best part of my peanut butter and jelly sandwich? The best part about my peanut butter and jelly sandwich is that I toast the bread. Ooh, I gotta spell that right. That I toast the bread. Yeah, I like to put the bread in the toaster first. So it's like kind of crunchy and warm. Yeah, you never thought of that, but now you're gonna try it. It's wonderful. I like to do that with my peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So we need a final sentence. How do we end it? How do we just say, I'm done? Well, think about that first question. What is your favorite sandwich? Well, my favorite sandwich is the peanut butter and jelly, right? So this is how I make. Oh, because we were talking about making we were talking about making sandwiches. What's your favorite sandwich? And then on the top, we were talking about to make. So let's put those ideas together, right? This is how I make what? Make my favorite, F-A-V-O-R-I-T, favorite sandwich. Spell it right, teacher. Ta-da! Do you see how I wrote that sentence, paragraph, the whole thing? Don't worry. I will help you in the next videos where we write these, because at the end, we always will write something. Remember to write yours down below this video. I want to see what's your favorite sandwich, and if it's crazy, I'll tell you. Okay, I will see you for our next lesson. Bye.